Fluid dampers are made with three main key components. You have your housing, an inertia ring inside, and then a cover plate. The cover plate is welded on, and then it's hermetically sealed that way. And then there's fill plugs. The silicone is filled into there, and then those are welded up, and then they get coated, and that's basically how the dampers are made. Well, Fluidampr actually started in 1985. It is a division from a parent company, Vibertech TVD, which started in 1946. The engine builders, performance and race teams and stuff were looking for a viscous style damper for their performance engines, and so Fluidampr was born from that time. Fluid dampers actually, they're built to last the life of the engine. They don't really wear out, they don't go bad. The only thing that could go wrong with them is if it's in a fire or something over 300 degrees, dents or dings, like if it's damaged somehow like that, if it possibly loses a press fit on the crank snout, but otherwise they are built to last the life of the engine. Installing a fluid damper, you're going to get better engine reliability, better bearing wear, better valve timing, overall better performance of the engine. So the best way I like to describe it is an engine running is very violent, so this is smoothing it out. It's making everything run smoother and more efficient, therefore unleashing horsepower and torque. Why I would switch to a fluid damper: your factory damper is an elastomer damper. It's tuned to a specific frequency, and it will wear out over time. If you do any performance modifications to that, the damper is overworked and will wear out even faster. Where our damper, it's a broad range protection, so while the engine is running, it is always protecting. Basically, it self-tunes in real time to the harmonics of the engine, so no matter what you do to the engine, it'll always have the optimal protection. It never wears out, it never goes bad, never needs to be rebuilt or retuned. A major importance to something like that, I would say, why keep buying something over and over? Why rebuild something and replace it and everything when you don't have to? You could buy a fluid damper. It is a one-time thing. You purchase it, put it on your engine. You don't have to think about it. You don't have to go back and rebuild it, maintain it, anything like that. So it gives you that peace of mind, that protection, and then you can take the rest of the money that you would spend on rebuilds and stuff and spend it on more go-fast parts or something else for your vehicle. Well, fluid dampers are actually comprised of three components: black magic, voodoo, and a little bit of love. You should switch to a fluid damper because I said so. And Stone Cold said so.
That's all I got to say about that.